Hello everyone! Hello class! Good morning! Hope you are doing fine. Welcome to our science class. Again, I am your teacher, Teacher Joven. Are you having fun learning your lesson yesterday? Very good. Do you want to learn more about today? Great! But before that, let us have first our short recap. What did you see in your screen? Very good. You see a heart that is pumping. Do you still remember the sound of your heartbeat? Very good. That is lub-dub, lub-dub, lub-dub. Now, do you still remember the chambers of your heart? Yes, let's try this one. What do you call this chamber? Very good. That is your right atrium. How about this one? Very good. That is your right ventricle. How about this one? Yes, correct. That is your left atrium. How about this one? Very good. That is your left ventricle. Do you know that these chambers of your heart works together to keep the circulation of the blood? Yes, you heard it right. That is how our heart works. And that would be our new lesson for today. How our heart works. Are you excited? Yes, of course, I am excited too. Come on, let us join together and let us learn together. Listen carefully and pay attention. Do you know that your heart pumps blood about 5 quarts every minute and beats 100,000 times a day? That makes it 35 million times a year. The deoxygenated blood or poor oxygen blood goes back to the heart after circulation, entering the right side of your heart that compose the right atrium and the right ventricle. Each of these chambers collects and pumps blood to the pulmonary arteries, going to the lungs to collect oxygen. When the blood collects enough oxygen, it turns into red and becomes oxygen-rich blood or oxygenated blood. This blood goes back to the heart, entering the left section of the heart, composing the left atrium and the left ventricle. These chambers pumps blood to the aorta for the circulation of the blood and the distribution of oxygen and nutrients all throughout the body. Do you know that our heart has valves that keep our blood circulating the right way? These are the tricuspid valve, the mitral valve, the pulmonary valve, and the aortic valve. These valves serve as a door or a gate that open in one way. These valves open and close once every heartbeat. Isn't it amazing? Yes, that is how our heart works. So my dear children, please keep our heart healthy. That would be all our lesson for today. I hope you learned something today. See you in our next class. Goodbye and God bless us all.